I love using all parts of a men's shirt, and you can see this one is pretty much used up, but today I'm going to teach you how to make a little pouch using the cuff of a men's button-up shirt. This project is ridiculously fast and easy because the buttons and buttonholes are already done. To use the cuff, the first thing you're going to do is you are going to seam rip this seam so that we can pull the cuff off. There's usually 2 rows of stitching. One is the top stitch and there's another stitch inside. So just go slow and careful so you don't rip the fabric. Pull off any extra threads that are sitting here that are in the way, and then what you're going to do, see how this is an open seam? Everything is ironed and pressed so that it's in the right place, and you're just going to hold these folds closed, and so right along that seam that you unpicked to close this whole edge. Now one side has a button and one side has a buttonhole. The side with the button you're going to fold up, and this is going to come up like a pouch. This is going to be the flap that comes over and will button, the buttonhole will go over the button. So now you can clip this and you're going to sew down each side 1/8 inch from the edge and backstitch when you start and when you stop. Now this is the flap that folds over and the buttonhole goes right over the button. I'm actually going to press this in place so that this flap isn't always coming up like this. Now you can check your little pouch. This one actually turned out to be quite skinny because this cuff was so thin, but you could get some like chopstick or something like that in there. You can put money, you could put some tiny things in there and it would work great. I actually made another one with a slightly wider cuff, so I'll show you this one. So this one is a little bit wider, but it makes a nice little pouch. You don't have to do any closures. Once it's pressed, the little pouch is finished and you can fill it up with any tiny little goodies. I can't wait to see all of the cuff pouches that you make. Please share them with me on social media. Check out these playlists with upcycle sewing projects and refashion sewing projects, and I hope you have a wonderful day.